Hi. So, why and how to use a word of the year? First of all, Happy New Year. And if you haven't yet considered choosing a word of the year, I'm going to list three reasons why you might want to consider it. And then if you do decide to go forward with it, how are some real practical ways that you can use this word of the year to create your dream life and feel good and really live on purpose and aligned and all that amazing jazz that we strive for. So, all right, so three reasons why you might want to use a word for the year. And if you don't know this practice, um, it's about choosing a word that you want to kind of embody for the year, maybe something you're working towards, a trait that you're trying to build in yourself, um, some kind of something to pull you forward into the next level of yourself. So, the reason why I like using this practice is because it really helps me, it complements like a vision board, but it helps me to really get into the feeling of what I am looking to create or looking to achieve. And the feeling is really how we, if you're into manifestation, that's the key, or the law of attraction. It's like, how are you feeling? How is your body, that energy? Really emanating. And so I like these word of the year practices because it's much more of a feeling than an actual event or item or thing. So that's one way it's really powerful. A second way is that it gives you a focus. There's distractions, there's social media, there's bling and kid stuff and just all kinds of things in life. And one thing I hear a lot from people is that they just get so distracted and they're busy and they lose focus. So a real key benefit to having a word of the year is that it gives you that focus and it brings you back towards, okay, what's the main thing here that I'm working on? When everything else is popping up, what's the main thing that I'm working on? It kind of brings you back to that. And the third reason that I think a word of the year is a good practice to consider is it gives you guidance. And what I mean by that is that if you have a situation where you're like, should I do this or should I do this? A lot of times we work from our ego and our brain and don't necessarily follow our heart as much. Or we hear the voices from other people saying, oh, what should we do? What should I do? And then you kind of hear maybe mom or dad's voice or a friend's voice or some specialist that you saw on social media. And you're like, okay, but is that really what I should do? So by using this word, you can kind of make that decision better. Like, okay, if this word is the most important kind of focal point of my year, I'm going to make decisions that are going to bring me more towards that. All right, so those three reasons invokes more of a feeling, a single point of focus, and also helps with guidance when you're making decisions or feeling stuck. Now, three ways how to use it. I'm going to start with the songs because that's what I'm all about. One of the main things I'm all about, at least on this channel. And songs, so I wrote a song with my word of the year this year. My word of the year is Shine Through. I made it up. It's like a breakthrough, but without breaking anything. It's shining through. And so I wrote this song that I'll share with you guys soon. And it's stuck in my head, which is the whole idea of these songs that I write to get stuck in my head and in your head if you find that it's helpful. So now I have shine through, shine through, shine through, shine through, and shine through, shine through, shine through is in my head. And so I can use this and then go back to that focus or the guidance or the feeling of shining through. And so songs, if you have a word that you're focused on, find a song or find a few songs. Comment below if you need some guidance or help with that. But if you can get into a song and get your body into it, that's a really powerful way to get in the energy of that word and really keep it top of mind. All right, so number two, how you can use this word of the year is by how to actually use it is put it on a vision board or visually up somewhere in a place that you see it all the time. If you're a mama like me who cooks a lot, a kitchen is a great place to put it. You can put it in the bathroom where you'll see it every morning, every evening. If you drive a lot, put it in your car. All these, oh, my arm's getting tired. Hold on, let me switch hands. Oh, now I can't see myself, sorry. Okay, I'll go back to this and be brief. So yeah, putting it up somewhere visually, very visually, is a powerful way to remind yourself of this word and feel it in that way. And the third way, and I alluded to this a little bit when I talked about using it for guidance, is when you're stuck, you can use this word and say, okay, so how would I make a decision if this word was my intent? So if I want to shine through, am I going to do something more like this or like this? Is this aligned with what I want to embody, who I want to become, the next level of where I want to go? All right, so that is why I love this practice, and I recommend it to people that I talk to, including my husband. He's got a word this year too. And then how? There's a few ways to use the word. All right, and a little bit more of my song if you want to hang out a few more moments with me. It goes like, oh shoot, always when I come on I blank out. Let me sing the part that I remember. Shine through, shine through, shine through, shine through, shine through, shine through, shine through. Okay, something amazing is about to shine through. Something amazing, something amazing, do is about to shine through. Shine through, shine through, shine through, shine through, shine through, shine through, shine through. And then in the background, something amazing. All right, so that song is coming together pretty quickly, pretty nicely. I'm excited to share it with you very soon, and also the origin story of how it came together. Have a wonderful day. I am wishing you a wonderful year ahead. If you did choose a word, let me know what it is if you feel like sharing it, and I'll share that exciting energy with you too. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.